Feeling like you just can't get ahead on Upwork? Are you tired of putting out proposals and offers and spending your connects with no return on investment? Don't give up yet. In this Upwork tutorial for beginners, we're going to talk about 5 tips for creating award-winning proposals. Hi, I'm Angela Clark, a top-rated seller on the Upwork platform. There are lots of different opinions out there about what works and what doesn't. Lots of people telling you do this and don't do that. But I'm going to give you some tips that I personally use on my own Upwork proposals. Tips that got me from really going nowhere to top rated in a relatively short amount of time. 1, and I think this is pretty important, is don't overwhelm the buyer with a super long proposal. It isn't unusual for buyers to receive 50 or more proposals on a single Upwork job posting. 2, they want to know that you read the project description, so make sure you read through the whole thing before creating your proposal. 3, it's okay to give a brief list of your professional qualifications and why you would be perfect for this project. 4, if you are new to the platform, don't be afraid to address that with the buyer. For a long time, I would include something like, although I am new to the platform, I am not new to voiceover, or I am not a new voice artist, right? Feel free to address that. They appreciate your honesty. And a lot of buyers actually look for people that are new to the platform, so it's not a bad thing. 5, include a link to an off-site portfolio. It's not against the terms of service, and it really gives the buyer more details about what you can offer them as a voice artist. So if you've found these 5 tips helpful in your Upwork growth, and you'd like to get even more insider tips and tricks for building a strong Upwork client base, then check out this voiceover masterclass course, Upwork for Voiceovers, from newbie to top-rated seller. You can find the link somewhere here on the video or in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our helpful tips and tricks for building a strong and profitable Upwork business.